Hello friends, welcome back to Tasty Appetite. Today let's see how to make a healthy breakfast recipe that can be prepared quickly. This instant Rava Idli is so popular in South Indian cuisine and it tastes delicious and flavorful. Compared to the regular idlis, instant Rava Idli is very easy to prepare and it's made with rava, also called as semolina or suji. It can be made without any advanced preparation like soaking, grinding or fermentation. Enjoy this hot, soft and fluffy idlis anytime with this instant recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. I'll start off by adding 2 cups of semolina or suji. In Tamil we'll call it as rava. Then let's pour 1 cup of curd. I'm using homemade curd. Give a quick mix and add half cup of water. Next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Now let's stir well so the mixture is combined good. Cover the batter with the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. Stir well, the thickness of the batter should be smooth and creamy and it should not be watery. Then let's add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilli and some finely grated carrots and coriander leaves. Combine the batter well and set the batter aside. Now we will move on to our seasoning part. I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Also you can use ghee for seasoning. Once the oil is hot, let's add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of chana dal. And finally some chopped cashew nuts. Stir in medium heat until the mixture turns golden brown. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder and half teaspoon of ginger paste or grated ginger. Stir well and remove the frying pan from the heat. Let's pour the seasonings to the batter. Also add half teaspoon of baking powder or Eno salt. Mix the batter gently so that the contents get combined well. The thickness of the batter should be like this as shown in video. Now our instant Rava Idli batter is ready. Don't let the batter rest for more time after adding our baking soda. Add few drops of oil or ghee to the idli plate and grease it lightly. Now let's pour the batter to the mold. Now let's steam cook the idli for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, you can see the idlis are perfectly done. Allow the idlis to cool down for about 3 to 4 minutes and then with the help of a moist spoon, let's take the idlis out of the idli plate. Our delicious, soft and flavorful instant Rava Idlis are ready to serve. It pairs up great with tomato chutney, coconut chutney or any chutney of your choice. Enjoy this hot, soft and fluffy idlis anytime with this instant recipe. I hope you'll all give this wonderful recipe a try. And if you have enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more healthy, easy and delicious recipes. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook to see what's latest in my kitchen. Until I meet you all with the next healthy recipe, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.